Welcome to NLP in 3 minute series. Simple, powerful tool that you can use right away to change the way you think, feel, and show up. If you are a coach, trainer, leader, or someone serious about personal growth, this series is designed for you. Hi, I'm Rosily, NLP Master Practitioner and Master Coach. I have spent years studying and applying neuro linguistic programming in coaching, training, and in my own life. What I have learned is simple. The people who create consistent results are not luckier. They think, communicate, and respond differently. That is why I created this professional NLP short series. Over the next 12 focused episodes, I will share practical NLP tools that you can use immediately whenever, wherever, whether you are coaching clients, leading a team, training others, or working on your own growth. Now, these are not motivational talks, these are working tools. You will learn how to change your emotional state in seconds, reframe any challenges, rewire unwanted responses, understand invisible filters that make people so different, install more useful belief, and step into the future vision or version of yourself with clarity and energy. Each episode is short, precise, and designed so that you can apply the tool on the same day. If you coach others, these tools will sharpen your work. If you lead people, they will improve your influence and communication. And if you train professionals, they will give you more precision. And if you are on your own growth journey, they will help you lead yourself better. Now, this is not about collecting information. This is about building skills. Follow the series, practice what you learn, apply one tool at a time. Small shift done consistently create powerful change. Let's begin. See you on day 1. If this was useful, save it and follow for the next episode. Small shift in the mind can create big change in life. I'll see you in the next one.